Welcome to Delft Stack. If you're seeing the HTTP2 protocol error in Microsoft Edge, it can stop websites from loading completely and make browsing frustrating. This error is usually caused by corrupted cache files, problematic extensions, or conflicts in your browser's network settings. But the good news is you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. First, start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Edge, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose What to Clear. Set the time range to all time, select Cookies and Cached Images, then click Clear Now. This removes corrupted data that may be interfering with HTTP2 requests. Next, disable your browser extensions to check if one of them is causing the issue. Type edge:2/extensions in the address bar and turn off all extensions. Then try loading the website again. If it works, enable extensions one by one to find the problem. Another effective fix is to disable the QUIC protocol in Edge. In the address bar, type edge flags and search for QUIC. Set experimental QUIC protocol to disabled and restart the browser. This helps resolve conflicts related to modern web protocols like HTTP2. If the error still appears, try resetting your network settings. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the commands ipconfig /flushdns and netsh winsock reset. These commands clear DNS cache and reset network sockets, which can fix connection issues. Finally, make sure your browser is fully updated. Go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge, and install any available updates. Keeping Edge updated ensures compatibility with modern web protocols and prevents errors like this. After applying these steps, restart your computer and test the website again. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.